Dash of Delish. Today we are going to be doing a beverage experiment.
Okay, so a friend told us about this thing where you take eggs and you put them in your coffee. And so we're going to try that today. There are apparently benefits to this. It's supposed to make it a little bit smoother, and it also clarifies the coffee a little bit and makes it clearer.
So we thought we would ramp this up a little bit and try it with a bunch of different things. We're going to try it with good coffee, not so good coffee, Thai tea, Diet Coke, and fruit punch Gatorade.
All right, so this is the idea. You take your coffee and you mix it up with your eggs, and after that point, that's when you add your water to your coffee. We'll get going.
And this is gonna get gross fast.
See how this goes. What do you think it's gonna be like, Teresa?
Chunky. Okay, and then we pour it into our very hot water. All right, we're gonna pour this into our French press because we're not interested in drinking all of the particles that appear to be still in the coffee at this point. I mean,
It's browner than our coffee normally is.
There is a ton of stuff floating around in here, so I guess we try it anyways.
Okay. And it's not a bad flavor, so...
It's not bad, but I don't think the little flecks of egg are particularly appetizing, so for that reason alone, even though it tastes fine, I don't think I would want this in my daily cup of coffee.
But I'll finish this. Okay, so we are now going to do the same thing, but with a less quality coffee, a pre-ground coffee. And
something that, in general, I feel tastes like cardboard when you drink it.
yeah, so we'll find out if it makes this more palatable. Got one for me.
Again,
Basically, we got the same color. I see less chunks of egg in it. Bottoms up.
Bottoms up. No, not me. That is...
It's still cardboardy.
You know, I mean, I'd still drink it,
It's
probably.
tolerable.
Did it do anything?
I don't know if it improved
I don't
it.
know
I don't
that
think
it
so.
did. I don't know that it did. I don't know that this would be a way to improve your crappy coffee if that's all you had. I think if it were me, I would just drink the crappy coffee as it was. So, okay, so next we are going to be doing Thai tea. And if you've never had Thai tea before, it's got a very orange color to it. It's got like a vanilla-ish flavor, as well as just a regular black tea. So. I'm pretty sure I've only had Thai iced tea. Iced tea. Thai
That's
tea
true.
iced.
Yeah.
I don't know that I've ever had it hot. But
You ready?
yeah, okay. Here we go.
There's almost no flavor whatsoever.
But it's just tea.
It doesn't
And
taste
vanilla.
like just plain tea, though. It's even less flavorful than just plain tea.
Okay, hang on. We need to get some sugar and some half and half just so we can try this the way we're used to.
All right. Okay, so
There we
we
go.
got sugar. Here we go. And give you too much sugar and give me too much sugar.
That's going to be how it should be, probably.
That tastes more like Thai tea.
Yeah, see?
Okay, Thai tea, you must have tons of sugar.
Okay, but back to the egg. You know, it tastes exactly the same.
I disagree, but
Okay, what do you think?
I don't think that I think it pulls something out of it, and I have a theory about that, but I'm going to wait until the end to explain my theory.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, Diet Coke time.
Why are we doing this?
Because we don't know what's going to happen when you put an egg into boiling Diet Coke until we do it.
So we'll find out if hot soda is any better than cold soda,
I'm guessing
knowing
no.
that it's not going to be. And I don't even like Diet Coke. It smells like Diet Coke.
It has a distinct Diet Coke smell. I'm really excited to try this. Slightly terrified.
I'm
but
not
more
excited about this at all. This just seems terrible.
Color is so terrible.
All right.
All right, that looks
terrible.
Awful.
Okay, here we go.
Let's smell.
That is surprisingly not bad.
It's kind of good. It's like custard
milk.
Custard milk.
That's what this tastes like.
Because you're sugaring up the egg, so you get the custardy kind of flavor. The brown is awful, but it doesn't taste.
No, I actually think this might be better than Diet Coke.
Soothing.
That is the most surprising thing that's happened to me today, is this drink.
Okay, here we are. Gatorade and egg. Doesn't look quite like anything I've ever seen in my life.
No, and
it's very pink now. It's not as red.
And then as the more we've done this, as we've gone through all these drinks, at the beginning we said that this is supposed to help clarify it, and that hasn't seemed to happen at all as this process has happened, and who knows if it will.
Yeah, and this is maybe worse because all of these little egg pieces that have now been turned pink, they really look like fleshy bits. It looks like...
That's true. I wouldn't have thought of that. But
it looks like it's like a sausage casing. You know, like that intestine bit that's like slightly pink and...
Yeah. All right, let's try it and...
let's filter that out.
See how it is.
Very pink. We have lost the redness. It's not clear anymore. It's actually now cloudy.
It's now a frost Gatorade, except that it's boiling hot.
I mean, it tastes like what I would assume hot Gatorade would taste like.
Yeah. But it's not good.
I'm gonna ice mine down.
I'm not gonna ice mine. It's just, it's a deterioration in the flavor.
You gonna try it?
I'll try yours.
Seriously, it just tastes like Gatorade.
Yeah, that's just watered down Gatorade. Okay, so what are your overall thoughts on this process?
Waste of time, waste of an egg.
Yeah, I was thinking that with the coffee and the tea, there was some difference in the flavors, but I think that that's mostly because we've mixed it in the egg already, and you're just simply not extracting as much stuff out because the egg cooks around it, and then the water can't pass through it to get the flavor out of it.
Well, that's
and
probably true.
That's got to be the only thing. It definitely does not make it more clarified. But as we've seen in these already clear beverages,
it's adding maybe some proteins, and that's why it's getting cloudy.
Yeah, and other than the Diet Coke, which I don't like regularly and still didn't like, but maybe liked a little more, it didn't improve any of these drinks at all, including the coffee. So,
will we do it again?
No.
No. But am I glad that we've done it?
Yes.
Yes.
All right.
Thanks for joining us.